Here's how to change your location in Roblox Mobile. Now, I have my iPhone and my Android here. I'm going to walk you through the exact steps to be able to change your location no matter what device you're on. The first thing we're going to do is tap on the three lines at the top left on both your iPhone or Android, and then tap on Help and Safety towards the bottom. After you've done that, tap on Help at the top. And from here, we're going to just search for location and hit search. Again, on iPhone or Android, I'm just going to do the rest on my iPhone because it works the exact same. Tap on account location at the top and then scroll down. You can read through how the location is determined, but then tap on need more help, contact support here. After you've done that, you're going to enter in your username, in your first name, but most importantly, your email address associated with your account. Keep in mind, there's no easy way to change your location without contacting Roblox and having them change it. So after you enter in all of that, type on the device type, and in this case, iPhone. And the category on here, you can see a bunch of different categories. I usually choose how to. And then a subcategory, change my location. Now from here, basically just write in something that looks like this. It says, please help me change my location from my old location, whatever that is, to my new location because I just recently moved. And then just tap the continue button and they'll get back to you usually within a few days to help you update that location. I hope this helps. If you enjoyed this video, check out the video over to my right. I think you'll really like that one too, and thanks for watching.